Hello Mario, it's lovely to meet you and be at the Solent booth. So tell us about Solent, what do you guys do?
Well, thank you very much. About Solent, we do end-of-the-line packing and palletizing robot machines. It is exactly as it says, very short packing and palletizing machines, and that's everything what we do.
And what's unique about your products? We're seeing more automation come into the sector. What makes you stand out?
Well, honestly, we don't really stand out with innovation. We just engineered the machines and made them more simple to use and very affordable, meaning that every single SME in the UK can afford having these machines in their warehouse or in their factory. We are looking at FMCG predominantly as our target customers.
That sounds really, really great. I know that you also have renting options as well as buying. What can you tell us about that?
Yes, where CapEx is a problem, we always can help you out with the renting. So you can rent these beautiful machines. They're going to do the job as long as you just have the output that has to go through them. We're starting at £2,500 a month, much cheaper actually than having 3 shifts with 1 employee over the day. So this is what we do. And on the other side, we can do straight buyout as normally people will be buying.
And are there any solutions that you want to highlight today at the show?
Well, our simple palletizing machine, SoulPal Mini, a single station palletizing robot, and SoulPal 2.0, which actually is a non-stop 2-side palletizing machine. So that's what we are offering at the moment, and that's what we are trying to present, alongside our AMR, autonomous mobile robot, for the pallet handling.
And why is it important to attend events like Foodex?
Well, from our perspective, as we target food and beverage manufacturers, that's a simple place to be for us. So here is our audience, and it's much easier for us to showcase that at one place than visiting 100 companies in a year.
Particularly with this many robots.
Well, it's a quite sizable stand, so it will be quite a problematic one to travel around. It's like nice to see what the machines do, like in a real life, simulating industrial environment.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Mario.